1. The walls of the house hold it up. 2. My shirt has a stiff collar. 3. When did you wax your car? 4. I bought a portable radio. 5. Have you got any idea about solar system? 6. Don't use the rear door. 7. I wish him a Merry Christmas. 8. Sue is an industrious student in his class. 9. What are the dimensions of this class? 10. Why do we inflate the auto tires? 11. Mary is an envious girl. 12. They have usually had drizzle there. 13. I jacked up the car before he came. 14. New York is famous for its skyscrapers. 15. He never fails to read books. 16. Jane would have had enough money for the groceries if she hadn't bought a hat. 17. Henry slams the door and gets out. 18. Susan's suitcase was so full that it wouldn't shut. 19. The cowboy shot and bandit bit the dust. 20. We never learn from history. 21. The helicopter rescued the flood victims. 22. The policeman directed him to the station. 23. After the accident he had a severe injury. 24. She waits on the customer fast. 25. He was a well-known artist. 26. Who gave you a ring last night? 27. He was resuscitated after the operation. 28. You can handle the machine easily. 29. How are the rates for meal of this hotel? 30. How many floors do this hotel have? 31. He took off the wheel to repair it. 32. What does the indicator read? 33. The student's behavior must be good. 34. Would you give me a hand? 35. There were many horses in the race. 36. Who assists the doctors in hospital? 37. You are not allowed to copy in exams. 38. Have you got any chance to go out? 39. You feel relaxed after taking a bath. 40. Normally I eat 3 times a day. 41. The plane was detained due to rain. 42. I can revise your paper later. 43. My wife turns down all kinds of offers. 44. We'll maintain talking about him later. 45. We defeated the enemy in war. 46. Dr. Smith advised him to give up smoking. 47. She was well attired at the party. 48. Practically every American has 2 cars. 49. This patch outlines my job in the Army. 50. We ran out of gas while driving to town. 51. Durable things last longer. 52. They did many feats in their field. 53. I took it for granted that he was gone. 54. He got a new vocation in that field. 55. It's relevant with the other people. 56. What holds you up? 57. Did you away with these stuffy things? 58. The ship is discharging. 59. Where did you come across that expression? 60. We shouldn't believe in superstitions. 61. When did you hit the sack last night? 62. He is addicted to smoking. 63. He makes up these kind of stories. 64. The lieutenant was put on red carpet by the commander. 65. The thermostat is used to regulate the temperature in the class. 66. What regulates the temperature?